Wajuang pinyo wacho chano keto mbui mar wifi e chirni madirom 25,000 e kor gwenge ma pacho ka mondo ochwal uso e yor mbui. Ma wacho gi jatend migawo mochung' ne tudruok e pacho ka Eliud Owalo, ma wacho ni chenro no biro chiwo thuolo makare ne jo ohala mondo us mwandu gi e mbui ma onge ng'ikruok moro amora. Nowacho magero ma tudruok motisi ni International Day for Universal Access to Information mano obagi e kaunti no ma Kirinyaga. Owalo medo ne piny owacho bende oseyango chenro matiego weche mag tudruok mabiro konyogi e yudo tije mag mbui kind rawere.
In our hypothesis, believe that we should be able to create about 1 million jobs in the digital space for our youth. This year, as we mark the Access to Information Day, let us do so behind the profound understanding of the role the online space plays in ensuring that access to information is not just a notion, but a living reality for all of us. We are establishing and operationalizing digital hubs to facilitate access to digital literacy amongst our youth. As government, in a proactive manner, we are also leveraging on that space to connect our youth to digital jobs as means of facilitating meaningful and inclusive connectivity. We are also doing what we can to ensure that we facilitate access to reliable, stable, and affordable internet. And where we can, we are also trying to provide that internet for free.
Chenro mar sumo pacho ganda e wichi komenda mar ganario